May mga 5 days, marunong na. Iba 7 days. Iba 10 days. Iba 15 days. Ha? May mga tao dyan 30 days na. Sinusuka na namin talaga ito. Ha? Kasi kung minsan wala naman siya talagang interest eh. Alam mo, determination is very important. Kailangan na, Kaya kami, saka we will not, kaya sa amin, madali, we give the instruction slowly. Hanggat mali nga, dapat hindi pwedeng pasigaw-sigaw. Para nga hindi nagugulat ang estudyante, latch down, no gas, second, half brake, latch down, full brake, konting kaliwa, konting kanan. Halimbawa na bangga, ay nabangga. Dapat kung, nabangga. Sabi ko kasi brake, hindi mo brake. Sa bahay, hindi ganon. Magpaturo ka sa dati mo. Sila, tira. Brake. Ang bobo. Ganyan sa bahay. Sinabi ko ng, lupak. Si Raymond ko. Wala ka naman natutuwa sa socialite, ha? Ay, siyempre, paano yan? Kaya kung minsan hindi ka pwedeng mapatulog sa mga ito. Masisira lang ang pinag-aralan. But remember, you will not learn driving unless you drive alone. Kahit na enroll ka na yung enroll dito. Kasi magdidepende ka masyado sa instructor. So the moment you have the opportunity to drive the car alone, driving, para ikaw mag-isa matututo sa sarili mo. So that's all about this dashboard. Okay? Next, braking system. In driving, your life depends upon the brake. Can you imagine driving a car without the braking system? You have the clutch, the brake, and the gas. That's the gear. 1, 2, 3, 4. Even if you're running 100 kilometers per hour, you are not worried. You feel relaxed. Because anytime you want to stop, you just press that small brake pedal. It is just 4 square inch pedal. And yet, you just tap it like it. You can see the car is waiting to stop. Ang lakas-lakas niya. So what's the mechanism? What is the beauty? What is the principle behind that braking system? How come driving is so safe today? Because of the discovery of the braking system. We will start with the bicycle. I'm sure most of you knows how to ride a bike. How do you ride a bike? You pedal it forward, it goes forward. How do you stop an ordinary bike? You pedal it backward. That's the way you stop an ordinary bike. You pedal it backward. Pero may wala ng ordinary bike, racer bike na sila. You pedal it forward, it goes forward. You pedal it backward, hihinto ba yan? No, so that's not where you stop a racer bike. How? Dapat may handbrake siya. But the handbrake is not part of the racer bicycle. You have to put it, you have to request for it. Ngayon, pinili ka ng racer bike, ng mountain bike ng mami mo. Pumunta siya sa store, okay, you give rap for me a brand new mountain bike. Graduation gift for my son. So, nung nakita ko rin, pinitan mo na. Nung pababa ka na sa mundo, kinanyan mo. Si mami naman. Hindi niya pinalagyan ng handbrake. So, how do you stop a racer bike without the handbrake? You crush your rubber shoes against the tire. Or, you jump out from the bicycle. That's the only way. So, you are driving your car. You are running 40 kilometers per hour. You apply the brake, there is no brake. You pump the brake, still no brake. And you are now about to crash. You remember how to stop a racer bike? Titigil ba yan? Maubos na yung sapatos mo, lahat, pati puto mo, pati paa mo. But you can stop a racer bike. You pedal a racer bike, 40 kilometers per hour. By using the foot method, you can easily stop a racer bike. Driving a car, the same speed. How come using the same method, you cannot? And yet, both are running 40 kilometers per hour. Because of the weight involved. It's so easy to stop a racer bike. Because you stop a racer bike, you're just trying to stop a few kilos of running metal. But not possible for a car. Just to stop an ordinary car, you are trying to stop at least 2,000 kilograms of running weight. Even in boxing, there is a division of weight. Flyweight against flyweight, heavyweight against heavyweight. Tinawag mo si Tyson, heavyweight yan. Linawan mo kay Palito. Si Palito, low weight yan. Magkakamatayan dyan. Kaya in boxing, at 2 kilos of difference, magkakamatayan yan, hindi pwede. Kaya nga meron tayong weight division. Ngayon, you are teaching your sister how to ride a bike. Natanong ka sister mo, salubungin mo yung bisikleta niya. Masasalubong mo yan. Nag-aaral mag-drive ang kapatid mo, salubungin mo yung kotse niya. Ba ikaw ang mamamatay? Ba't yung bisikleta na sasalubong mo? Because you are heavier than the bicycle. You cannot do that with a car. Mas mabigat. Kaya because of this, the government is not strict about bicycle riding. Anybody can just learn how to ride a bike. 3-year-old, 4-year-old, 6-year-old, 7-year-old. No need to secure student permit. No need to be accompanied by a professional driving instructor. You can just learn biking on your own. Pero sa kotse, just to be a student driver, you must be at least 16 years old. You have to go to the LTO personally. Fill up the application form. Pipicture ang kanila. Then you must be accompanied by a professional driving instructor. Why? Because sa bicycle riding ba, pag nakabangga ka, makakapatay ka ng tao? Siguro ulit-ulitin mo. Mamamatay siya. Pero pag nag-kotse, marami.